Hello everyone, this is Samsung Soundbar HW-B450. It's a 2.0 soundbar with 4 speakers inside, inbuilt subwoofer. What I want to do is to show you how to connect this with your laptop via Bluetooth. You can connect this gear to your TV via Bluetooth, optical cable, and using HDMI. What we want to do is to hook this up via Bluetooth with our laptop. So switch the soundbar on, then press this button to go to Bluetooth.
Ready to connect via Bluetooth.
We'll tell you ready to connect via Bluetooth. Then go to your laptop settings, go to Bluetooth and devices, select Bluetooth and devices, switch Bluetooth on. The Bluetooth is on. Add a device. Then select Bluetooth. It will start to search for available Bluetooth device. B series soundbar audio. Select on it. Connected audio. Then you select OK. So this is now connected. We're going to test the audio using upbeat sound. You can decrease the volume from this button and increase the volume from this button. This button is power on and off. This button is source or input. This is the remote control. You switch the soundbar on and off from this button. This button is source or input. This is Bluetooth pair button. You have up and down button, also side, left and right arrow button. The center one is pause and play. This button is mute. This button is sound mode. When you select sound mode, you go to standard or surround. Standard. Surround. So you select this using sound mode. The plus or minus is for you to increase the volume for the sound bar. So pull this button upwards to increase the volume. Pull it up, then pull it down to decrease the volume. Then subwoofer, pull it up to increase the volume for subwoofer. Pull it down to reduce the volume for subwoofer. This button is channel level. This button is for you to select night mode.
Night mode off.
Night mode. When you select night mode, you need to switch it on. You select this button, the gear button, select it, you go to night mode or voice enhancement. When you select it, then you need to select up arrow button to switch it on or off.
Night mode off. Night mode on.
Night mode is on. So once you select this button, then you press this button to switch it on. For night mode, select it again.
Night mode on.
Night mode on.
Voice enhancement off. Voice enhancement on.
Voice enhancement is on. When you select this button for voice enhancement, you need to press this button to switch it on. If you want to switch it off, depending on particular position it is, depending whether it's in voice enhancement or voice or night mode.
Night mode on. Night mode off.
Night mode is off. Now we're going to select next.
Night mode off. Voice enhancement on. Voice enhancement off.
Voice enhancement is off. So you select this button for night mode, select it again for voice enhancement. If you select it, then you need to press this button to switch it on or off. But you need to listen to be able to know exactly which one you are pressing. If you press this,
night mode off.
Night mode is off. If you want to switch it on, then you press it, then select this button to switch it on. Likewise, voice enhancement. If you switch it on, then you need to listen to know whether it's on or off. Then select this button to switch it on. Likewise, you can also use this button to do the same thing. And this button is treble.
Treble. Bass.
Bass. So if you select treble, increase it or decrease it using tone control, treble and bass. Then select up or down to control it. So these are the key features for this remote control.
Standard. Surround.
Thank you very much indeed. This sound bar deserves your attention. Thank you.